Hello and welcome to the Porshce booth at Slush, the ultimate innovation festival happening in Helsinki, Finland. My name is DanRam and I get to be the MC for what is going to be an incredible conversation on future, innovation and collaboration. And for you guys, I want to show you how Porsche is more than just beautiful cars and bring you on a conversation on what innovation means to people. So we're here to talk about innovation, and at least to me, true innovation has to be inclusive, collaborative, and transformative. But it's not just my opinion that matters, so I went around and grabbed a few startups, corporates like Porsche, and others here at Slush to find out what they think.
Innovation to me is just like art and technology mixed together.
Defensibility and differentiating power.
For me, innovation is really doing things differently and doing new things and deliver it in a completely new way.
Innovation for me is inspiration. I see innovators all the time, and those guys inspire me constantly by bringing to life some things that you would never think would be possible.
Innovation is safer world.
I would say that's living. Actually, because innovating is growing, growing is living. If you don't grow, you don't live, you die. So
innovation is questioning everything to build a future.
Revolution. As you heard, innovation is everything from the intersection of art and technology. It's about sustainability, it's about defensibility. But the one ingredient, especially when you're talking about a brand like Porsche, it's got to be a whole lot of fun as well. I'm really excited to bring you in with Yuko, an official Porsche race car driver in the sweet hybrid Panamera. Now that was a sweet ride. There were a few things I really loved about it. The whole charging while driving concept, the fact that you can be fuel efficient in urban areas and then feel that juicy 462 horsepower on the highway. What a sweet ride. So that was innovation present tense, but I also love that we got to talk about innovation future tense through pitching sessions from startups to an amazing workshop that was done upstairs to fantastic panel conversations on autonomous vehicles, the future of mobility, and so much more. It's been a fantastic 2 days here at Slush. Really enjoyed myself, but I hope that you join this conversation on what innovation means to you.